Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Luzia app. You click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we search about Luzia app and you click here. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your